What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best sewing machine for quilting. We'll discuss everything you need to know about quilting machines, how they work, how to maintain them, and the best products for quilters. Grab a cup of coffee and read along. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 sewing machine for quilting. Number 1. Brother CS 6000i Sewing Machine for Quilting. It has everything a beginner can dream of. It is computerized, well-built, and easy to use. Eight different sewing feet to work with various projects. Oversized table and a built-in free arm for large fabrics. All of these come with a hard protective case and a compact, nicely packed box. You'll have everything to get started at once. Radiantly lit sewing area that helps navigate through dark clothes. Automatic needle threader for easy threading. Number 2. Singer Heavy Duty 4423 Sewing Machine for Quilting. If you're seeing a manufacturer claiming a thin, cheap-looking machine do wonders, it probably isn't. One of the fastest sewing machines with 1,100 stitches per minute. Drop-in bobbin along with see-through view cover. This machine is best for quilting too, as the foot pressure control will let you sew lightweight to heavy fabrics together. Strong motor, durable and robust metal frame and steel bed. Free arm to facilitate collars, hems, and arms. Number 3. Brother XR 3774 Sewing Machine for Quilting. That's a bad decision from a value standpoint. I mean, there are sewing machines for people of all expertise level and needs. Brother XR 3774 is a great novice quilting machine. The machine comes with 37 stitching options. Quick set drop-in bobbin allows you to check on the threads and replace the bobbin instantly. You can choose any of them with the large stitch selector dial. The machine can stitch at a rate of 800 per minute. Number 4. Janome 2212 Sewing Machine for Quilting. Janome 2212 is such a machine. Well, it might look like a small toaster and weigh only 13 pounds. Drop feed and free arm that facilitates different kinds of stitching. Compact, lightweight, and easy to work with. The needle plate not only helps you rest the fabric, but also assist with the measurements. Two needle positions so that the needle doesn't skip or jam up. Secured reverse stitching option with the help of a switch. Number 5. Brother HC 1850 Sewing Machine for Quilting. Just look at the Brother HC 1850. It's come with so many features that make quilting monogramming. The machine also contains a built-in monogramming font set. You can adjust the stitches with sheer ease. The machine has a great feeding system. It's designed with guides on both sides, so that material goes and fed evenly. Easy attachment of bobbin and top thread, quick needle replacement. The package includes 8 pressure feet, stitch flip chart,